All right. First thing first, before we get this video going, we got to switch something out. I think I look better this way. Alrighty, so this video is going to be about another Atrix product. Atrix is a GameStop brand that they came out with, I don't know how many years ago? Does it say? Nope, no idea when this came out as a brand, but it's here. This is their Sniper series, specifically the combo. You can get it for about 80 bucks. I don't know, let's find out about this. So I think I read on the box they're cherry brown, not cherry brown, cherry switches. I don't know what kind. They don't sound too bad though. $10 keyless. Ooh. There's a little like glittery almost on that. I can't really focus this for you. This doesn't have autofocus. This is all manual, and this is as focused as it gets. It's a great time for me right now. Braided cables all the way for both. I don't see any peels though. That's kind of disappointing. A mode button. This has got a honeycomb. There's some ribbed on the wheel. Oh, hey, there is a peel. It's just gotta get it off. That was bad. That was better. One level of rise. Rubber stoppers that actually might do something. What's the pressing? There's already dirt on this. I only just got this. How did it get dirty? I think it was me. My hands aren't that dirty. It's got a slight shine to it, and it's thick. It's as thick as the LTT desk mat that I use. I might have to go get an Atrix desk mat. Nah, I'll just get the one I have in my merch store. White Velcro. Not a horrible thing. Screws there. So let's get a keycap player. Alrighty. Show me your secrets. They're browns, but are they soldered in? I'm going to bet you money that they probably are. Yep, soldered in. So if you don't like the browns, you're gonna have to desolder the pins. So we're gonna change angles here real quickly, and we'll get looking into this. Alrighty, so these are the Atrix Sniper keyboard and the Sniper mouse. Just to remind you guys. Let's start with the mouse, because I had to use that already. So out of the box, it's going to have this rainbow effect. It looks actually pretty sweet to me. You can change the rainbow effect with this button here. Giving you about 10 profiles to use from one button. Now, there's no software as far as I can tell with this so far, so you are just getting what you get. Let's just see how it does on their mouse pad, and then we're going to use my mouse pad to see if it does any better. All right. Now let's see. Seems to be doing about as good. Yeah, I'd say this mouse doesn't really see a difference in either one, and they shouldn't. It was basically the exact same surface, just this one's more designed than the white one. It's set to a high DPI rating out of the get-go, so let's see if I can kind of... There we go. fix that. It's now not at a high DPI rating, but it's not a low DPI rating. That way it's not like flying across my screen from just doing this. I like my mouse to be a little more sensitive. That's just how I like it. Some people like it to be like, to get a little bit of movement. It all depends on what you're doing, to be honest, though. There's also a left-handed and right-hand mode right here. So you change this. But there are 2 sets of buttons on either side, 2 buttons on top, and these buttons. Now, to me, quite honestly, oh, that's what it changed. It sounds kind of bad. Very clicky when it comes to that, and that hurts my ears. So let's check out the keyboard now. So already you can see it is per key RGB. Amazing. I already showed you guys earlier, these are cherry brown switches. Let me just show you something else. Honestly, to me, this setting probably is the coolest because it lights up where I'm pressing. The spacebar probably needs a little more stabilization. It feels like it's wiggling a little too much, but has multimedia keys built into the function keys. You just have to use the function button to use those. You can brighten or lower your RGB. I'm not sure what this does. It's for LED speed. All right. I don't think I could have figured that out on my own. It's a little more elevated now. My wrists were fine before, and they're still fine here. Alrighty, so after all the tests I did, I'm gonna say these things are actually pretty good. The mouse is lighter than my Asus mouse, so it definitely is a lighter weight mouse that a lot of PC gamers tend to like nowadays. Not really my thing. I do kind of want to change these switches out. They're a little too clicky to me, but that's preference. Keyboard's a whole different story. It's amazing. Smaller form factor with the 10 keyless. Great sounding key switches. Only thing against it's going to be that it's soldered, so you can't change the switches, but that's not really something a lot of intro gamers for PCs are going to want. So that makes sense to me. So for $80, let me think here, that would make it $40 for the mouse, $40 for the keyboard. Actually, that would make it less because you also get the desk mat, which is amazing. I need to get another desk mat to try out, like from Glorious or something. I mean, it basically matches the LTT Linus Tech Tips, their desk mat very well in terms of quality, which is amazing to me. It's about as thick, it's as soft. I mean, there's very little that Atrix did wrong here that I can find. So I would say if you're a beginning gamer, get that if you're on a budget and you still want something kind of decent. Because $80 for a desk mat, a mouse, and a keyboard, that's not much to sneeze at. you're going to have a hard time finding as good a deals for good quality items. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget, go down to the link below. My merch store has some good items for you guys. I think you guys would like them. It even has its own desk mat that I think you guys might like. I'm going to have to get it here soon, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty good. Also, guys, there's some t-shirts there. They feel amazing. They're really good quality. Jacket's also pretty good, too. If you guys enjoyed this video, go check out my the HyperX Pulsefire Surge video. It was a great video on a very low-budget mouse that really does really good. The RGB software that comes with it is also fantastic. Well, guys, thanks again for tuning in, and have a good day.